Autel MaxiCharger Level 2 EV Charger Review. 80 amps, AI smarts, and real daily proof.
You wake up, check your EV, and your stomach drops. 40% battery and a full day ahead. Again. The slow trickle of a standard outlet simply cannot keep pace with a real schedule, and that quiet anxiety of wondering whether you will make it through every errand, every commute, and every unexpected detour is genuinely exhausting to carry daily. And here's the thing, it is not just about range, it is the way a half-charged car forces you to reorganize your entire day around its limitations instead of the other way around. You find yourself plugging in at strange hours, doing the mental math repeatedly, and still arriving somewhere feeling uncertain about it. Sound familiar? If you have ever felt like your charging setup is quietly working against you, you are definitely not imagining it.
The frustration does not stay contained to mornings either. It bleeds into your evenings, your weekends, and every road trip you hesitate to book because you are simply not confident your current setup can handle it properly. There's a real heaviness that builds when you realize your charging routine has quietly become a source of daily stress rather than the convenience it was always supposed to be. You try longer overnight sessions, you try managing multiple appliances carefully to avoid tripping a breaker, and you still watch your electricity bill climb without any clear explanation of where the waste is actually happening. Let me explain what this costs beyond the obvious numbers. Every hour spent managing a slow or unreliable charger is an hour you are not spending freely on anything else. Every morning you leave with less range than you planned is a small but genuinely real compromise that compounds over time.
Then everything changed when I found the Autel MaxiCharger Level 2 EV Charger. Do not just pick any Level 2 charger. Make sure it has AI-powered scheduling with adjustable amperage up to 80 amps so you never suffer the slow overnight trickle and climbing electricity bills that every underpowered standard charger eventually causes again. The Autel MaxiCharger delivers up to 19.2 kilowatts of output power, adding roughly 70 miles of range per hour, which works out to up to 14 times faster than a basic Level 1 outlet. The AI app automatically schedules your charging sessions around your utility's off-peak rates, so your car charges at the lowest possible cost without you thinking about it at all. This is genuinely the answer many EV owners have been searching for.
The daily reality shifts noticeably once this charger is properly installed and running. You wake up to a full battery every morning, your electricity costs settle into a predictable and manageable pattern, and the mental load of constantly managing your charging routine essentially disappears from your life. A professional reviewer awarded the Autel MaxiCharger a 9.1 out of 10 rating and called it a future-proof powerhouse, specifically praising the single-amp current adjustment from 6 to 80 amps as a genuinely practical feature for homes sharing a panel across multiple simultaneous demands. An EV enthusiast described the AI scheduling as feeling like having a tiny genius working quietly in the garage, handling all off-peak optimization without requiring any manual input whatsoever. An industry analyst named it the best smart 80-amp charger available for precise power control, noting how seamlessly it adapts to shifting household loads in the background. A business owner installed it for customer use and praised the RFID access control for managing who charges and when without any complications. Some people worry about the hardwired installation requirement, and that concern is entirely fair. But with a licensed electrician and a 100-amp dedicated circuit, setup takes around 10 minutes, and the generous 5-year warranty protects you long afterward.
Thousands of EV owners, fleet managers, and everyday households are already using the Autel MaxiCharger Level 2 EV Charger to take back complete control of their daily charging routine. It adds roughly 70 miles of range per hour, meaningfully cuts electricity costs through intelligent AI scheduling, and is engineered to run reliably for a full decade of consistent use. Results may vary depending on your specific vehicle model and home electrical setup. If you are ready to explore everything it offers, the affiliate link is sitting in the description and pinned comment below. Click through at your own pace. Your future self waking up to a full battery every single morning will genuinely appreciate it.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.